The verdict is in. Gilberto Valle, the NYPD officer known as the Cannibal Cop, has been found guilty of conspiring to kidnap and eat women. Valle was also found guilty of illegally accessing a national crime database to research his potential victims. The trial made national headlines and called into question the line between fantasy and intent. How did Valle react to the news in the courtroom?
He appeared teary-eyed and bowed his head. His defense team also looked kind of devastated and bowed their heads, according to reports. And his mother was also at the trial and said that she was shocked and just wanted to be left alone. So I think everyone was just pretty shocked.
Right. I saw in the story, in the write-up, that he eventually hugged one of his lawyers, but there was really an overwhelming sense of shock. Do you think that going into this, from your vantage point, that this is as shocking to us, to the public, as it perhaps was to the family and to his lawyers?
I think maybe a little bit. I mean, I think the point that the defense was making is one that I think a lot of people could understand, which was that you can't prosecute people for a thought because, you know, Gilberto Valle didn't actually do anything. I mean, the prosecution contended that he was like making concrete steps in this plot, but I think a lot of people were surprised that you know, he was convicted on something that can carry a life sentence. I'm sure it was absolutely devastating, and not to mention to have his family there. He was you know, whisked away to solitary confinement. He has a young daughter, you know, and who knows when he'll be able to see her again. And I think it's just and obviously he's you know, officially no longer an NYPD cop.